18 candles, skyline glowing, from school halls to bigger dreams. You kept going, quiet courage, more than anyone could see. Now your name is called out clearly, in a room that feels brand new. And my heart says that's my daughter. Look at what you're breaking through. Not just a prize, not just a page. It's a door to lead, to learn, to change, to grow your voice and lift others too. Hey Grace, you've got starter wings until you see, believes in what you bring. A bond free road, but a boundless sky. Leadership fire in your eyes for every worker, every family. You'll help build hope in this city. Step by step you'll rise and rise. My girl, tonight you'll touch the light. Workshops, mentors, new horizons, hands to serve and hands to hold. Learning how to stand for people, turning brave into bold. From your journey to your purpose, you'll be stronger than before, carrying a bigger title and a bigger heart to pour. So walk ahead, shoulder straight. This is your season, this is your faith, to live it out and lead it true. Hey Grace, you've got starter wings until you see, believes in what you bring. A bond free road, but a boundless sky. Leadership fire in your eyes for every worker, every family. You'll help build hope in this city. Step by step you'll rise and rise. My girl, tonight you touch the light. And if the world gets heavy someday, remember why you started here. To help others learn a better living, to help them live a better life, my dear. So take this moment, keep it close, let it guide you when you grow. Hey Grace, you've got starter wings until you see, believes in what you bring. A bond free road, but a boundless sky. Leadership fire in your eyes. Soldier's future in your hands, with kindness, strength, and steady plans. Step by step you'll rise and rise. My girl, forever you'll touch the light. 18 candles, one new start, and a proud father